you ready to waltz?
Yes, I'm so ready.
Ay,
Yes,
hi,
Coach.
Coach! Wow,
Hi, Coach.
sumasayaw siya.
First ko kayo mahahawakan.
Yes!
Oo nga. Yes.
Pangalawang dance sport nyo na to, so nag-Latin kayo before. Ngayon naman, standard na tawag natin dito. It's Viennese Waltz. So we go to Vienna for this one.
Okay.
Though, ang music natin sounds very slow. Kaya lang yung steps natin palaging 3 in one bar.
I like that.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you know. The
1,
famous,
2, 3,
ano ba
drink.
yung famous na pang cotillion, no? Yung Blue Danube. But then, this time, marami tayong figures na matatawag natin mabibigyan ng pangalan. Because before, alam lang natin yung waltz natin is in a box at mabilis. This one, mabilis siya, pero ang galaw natin is paikot.
Ooh.
But then, of course, we're gonna get out of some of the principle, pero nandun pa rin yung fundamentals niya. Okay? So,
Figures
hindi
of
tayo magkakaroon ng feeling yung magkadikit ng right to right side because somehow that will be difficult to achieve in any dance sport, no? Lalo na pag sa standard. So, we will start off with the natural turn wherein it turns
Natural.
to the... Yes, natural. Natural meaning it turns to the right. So, whatever we do in every genre, right is always the natural. And then meron din tayong reverse wherein it starts to the left and turns to the left.
To the left, to the left.
Yes, to the left, to the left, to the left. Okay. So ngayon, guguluhin ko yung mga mundo ninyo in terms of halos lahat ng genre nyo, magka-side by side kayo. This time, halos magkaharap kayo. Which is somehow one of the challenges ng standard na ballroom is because you're dancing in front of one another, which is somehow very confusing in the beginning. Hopefully, we can pull this off when we're learning the fundamentals niya. Okay, so let's start with the natural turn. Dito tayo side by side. Later on, pag magkatapat na kayo, instead of moving forward, you're gonna be moving back, opposite to his direction. Okay? So, we'll start off with the right foot turning that way. So you go for 1, your first step. Then the second step, you're gonna go left foot side. Now you're facing there. Now the next one, your right foot will close to your left foot, but facing this back. Back na tayo. Yan. 4. Okay? And the next one is left foot back. 1. And then lifting the heel, leaving the heel off the floor, moving to the side, and then closing para doon na tayo magkaharap. Okay?
Ngayon, feels very new for you. As your duo, ano ba yung mga nagagawa ko or mga actions ko that makes you feel like you're being supported, or am I even being helpful at all?
Of course. Of course. I agree totally na you are very helpful.
Really?
Yes, kasi I feel like everything is so easy with you, feel ko. You pick up so fast. Feel ko nga minsan, mas mabilis ka pa mag-pick up kesa sa akin. Mga ganyan.
Wow.
Tapos, yung when we dance, parang instant yung connection natin. Since we look at each other sometimes we just laugh it off na. Ganun, parang nakakatawa na lang. So, the vibe is so easy, kaya, yeah, madali lang siya i-absorb.
Yes.
Let's go.
Tapos, nice frame is always eye level tayo. And this one, yan, ganito lang. So, now I want you to feel the deltoids. Para nandun. Yes. So, then lift this up para, yes. Okay? So, then you're just completely, the principle that I'm breaking here, you can look at each other.
Okay.
Yes, because of our treatment. Okay, so ready? 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 3, and 4. Nice one. Good one. Okay? So just refrain from looking down because it's going to be confusing and it might get dizzy.
Okay po.
Okay? So yun lang din ang mga tips natin. When you work on with dance sport, you don't look at your feet because meron siyang mirror complex.
Ano lang, siguro kasi may time lang na pag nagtuturn, hindi ako nagpo-focus sa isang place or ganyan. Masyadong kalat yung isip ko. So, pagka tuloy nagtuturn, nakikita ko gumaganon yung mundo na pagka-land ko talagang ganyan na ako. So, yeah. It just takes a lot of focus lang talaga.
Ako naman, nag-enjoy lang ako umikot, kaya tinuloy ko.
Tinuloy
So,
ka.
sorry kung nahilo ka niyan.
Hindi, okay lang.
Tara, maghilo
fun.
tayo ulit.
Yes.
Ready? Try natin yung first lift natin, yung nandito nakalagay.
Okay.
Ready?
Dito?
Hindi, yung sampa.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Try natin. Walang tatalon. Yes. That's it. Nice and pretty. So, yung turn kasi lumagat na.
Ay, sorry.
Ilan to?
Good morning. Nasobrahan.
Nag-energy.
Okay.
Yan. Okay, yung next natin, yung isa naman yung naka-lift ito. So, keep this bent. Didikit mo yung yung buong body niya, igagano mo sa, didikit mo para malaman mo kung
Okay.
saan. Pwede mo din hawakan yung pelvis niya dito. Pwede din dito hawakan. Nangyari dito siya, di ba?
Okay.
Pag umangat yun, pwede ka humawak dito.
Ay,
Parang,
actually,
yes,
mas
better,
madaling
no?
mag-balance.
Yan, no?
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yes. Okay?
Madaling
Let's
mag-balance.
do it.
Okay? Try
Let's
natin.
do it.
So, magkaharap, tapos pa-switch. Pa-flip.
Ano pa rin ako?
Ha?
Okay,
Dito ka pa
game.
rin?
Game.
Teka, buwan namin tayo. Okay, game.
Okay, game.
Then Saturn. Yan.
One,
Well,
two,
yan.
three.
Hawak mo yan. Yes. So, hanggang mo to jaw papunta dito. Pag ganito. Kung makiliti itong batang ito eh. Pag kinuha to dito, angat mo pa mo. Angat mo. Ito yun. Gaganunin mo. See? Tingnan mo, nakikita mo.
Ay, ang galing!
Ballerina
Yan,
cappuccino.
ha?
Ikaw na lang
Nakita
kaya
mo yung
ganun
ano niya.
dito.
Yan. Ang alay mo kasi yan ang iikot mo.
Yes.
Okay, try natin. At least makukuha natin dito. Ready? And
Two, two, three, go.
Go. Yes, much better. Andito tayo sa area na to. Itong area na to. Yan, ito.
Okay.
Bone niya. Yan. Try, go. Much better.
And yung knees ko.
And ikot sa kabila. Yung pahiga.
Okay.
Wrestling.
Boom!
Wrestling. Boom! And hila. Boom! Ayan. And then, ba? Hindi nyo kamay. Dahan-dahan lang, ha?
Okay.
Okay, yun. Well, more of it. Tapos yung ending natin, yung merong babam. Okay? Tapos yung sa ending natin, na kailangan babalik tayo sa yung LED natin na bumubukas. Pagdating mo dito, lalapit ka kay Jao, tingin sa kanya, tapos i-stretch mo lang to, siyang kukuha sa'yo. So
Okay.
then, pag ganon, yun na siya. Okay? Kailangan mong kunin dito sa may tuhod. Try natin.
Butag na ako.
Tapos sasama ka na doon sa pag ganon.
Okay.
Okay? Sige, go. And
Ay, okay.
ending na tayo.
Okay,
na.
ending.
Walang tingin. Ready? And go. Open. Boom. And then, yes, tingin muna. Mr. Legs. Yes. And then, pump. Ang ending natin, magtitingin lang kayo. Yes, that's it. Okay? So, kung ito yung judges area natin, yes. So,
Yes.
ano yun lang.
Ay, sorry.
Make
It's okay.
it more sweeter.
Okay.
Okay? Kaya na yan.
An intense question.
Oh, okay.
Meron ka bang mga in-adjust para mas mag-work yung duo natin, yung partnership natin, since this is gonna be our permanent duo?
I know.
How is it?
Oh my gosh. Hanggang ngayon, parang it feels surreal na nandun na kami sa phase na permanent duo na yung mga ginagawa namin ngayon. But, masasabi ko lang, I think, well, natural na kasi talaga sa akin na if I'm working with someone, nag-a-adjust ako sa kanila. Hindi na siya yung parang, ewan ko, kasi nung kaduo ko yung ibang mga P-pop dancers, parang yung mga ibang dance stars, nami-mirror ko yung ano nila, yung personality nila. So nung si Denise kasama ko, yung humor ko nagiging si Denise na rin, or si Sofia nagiging si Sofia na rin, or if si Jiro, iba yung asaran namin, mga ganon, kahit kay Joker. Tapos ngayon naman, ganito na rin ako.
Yeah.
So, siguro more on sa performance ako nag-a-adjust. Kasi aware din ako sa mga weaknesses ko as a dancer. So I always try to look at my partner's strengths para i-match ko yon. Parang gusto ko yung i-match yun kasi it's also for my personal growth din. So it's more on the performance side siguro yung adjustment ko.
On the floor.